So repair or replacement? That's a question that a lot of our homeowners are deciding between. They have a leak in the roof or they see a shingle missing. A lot of times, people want to need a repair, and unfortunately, it's not always the case. Now, if the roof is relatively new and you get an isolated area that needs some attention, by all means, a repair would make sense. It's really the roofs that are 15, 18, 20 years old where a significant repair is needed. At that point, you really have to consider the pros and cons of just doing a Band-Aid, because in a year or two, you're gonna have to replace the whole thing anyway. And so a lot of times it's better to just get it done, rip the Band-Aid off, do the whole thing, because you're gonna need to do it anyway. You don't wanna throw good money after bad. And so, my answer to that would be, it depends largely on your budget, of course. We do have financing options and low payments available to people to make it easier. But if you're deciding between a repair and a replacement, the number one thing that you should be considering is how old is the roof itself, because you don't want to do a repair and then 2 years later pay for that all over again. So hope that helps. I would say every case is going to be unique, but if it's a newer roof, repair, totally fine. If it's an older roof anyway, you might want to consider just getting it done.